guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing another Splendies unbagging. I am so excited. This is one of the subscriptions that I really look forward to every month because I just think it is so fun and girly. This is my little Splendies bag. I'm pumped. It's my first Splendies unbagging in the new apartment. I was kind of nervous that it wouldn't make it with the address change, but it did. So shout out to Splendies for that. You guys are new to Splendies, so Splendies is a monthly subscription for $14.99. You get 3 pairs of underwear delivered to your door. They carry sizes small to 4X, which I think is really nice. And they have all different kinds of, what am I trying to say? Different styles that you can get. Like there's thongs, there's cheekies, there's hip huggers. They have cotton panties, they have lace panties. I have had my Splendies subscription be about a year now. I love everything. I do get a large in Splendies. I am in a 10 in Express jeans, a 10 in Target jeans, an 11 in Fashion Nova jeans, if that kind of helps you guesstimate what size you might be off of them. They do state that they can run a little bit smaller. The large fits me absolutely fantastic, so that's really, really cool. I tend to get a large, and I wear a medium in certain Victoria's Secret panties, but overall I do get a large because I tend to wear fuller coverage panties, and the large just fits a little bit better. Okay, so let's dive in now that you guys have all the basics. So we're gonna rip this open. Normally I cut it off of camera to save time and save your ears from this awful crinkling, but I don't know where my scissors are, so bear with me, guys. How cute. So this is this month's little tissue. They come wrapped in different tissues every month. It's really cute. It'll always have your little Splendies sticker right there. So let's see what this month got. I already see a color that I know I'm gonna be obsessed with. Okay, so let's see. The very first one off the top though is this thong. So it is a cotton thong. It is orange with all types of little geometric shapes on it. This one is definitely fall vibes for me. That's what I'm getting from this. I love how stretchy these are. These never dig into my side fat, so I appreciate that. These are gonna fit great. These are super cute. Yeah, and these ones, they normally come with a tag to let you know how much it would be if you purchased it on its own. These would have been $12 on their own, but again, you get 3 panties for $14. So here are these. I like these. I think these are really cute. I don't know. I'm normally not a printed person, but I feel like this print specifically is just giving me all the fall vibes, and I'm really into it. Then we get this pair, so cute. So this is my total vibe. Oh my God, it matches my lipstick. Totally not planned, but that's awesome. So these ones look to be a hip hugger, very stretchy. It is that almost kind of silky, stretchy fabric. So it's not cotton on this part. This one, let's see if it has a price on it. This one would have been $12 as well. The band at the top is really stretchy, so I don't think it would dig in either. Literally, look at how much this stretches. It's so nice. I'm excited about this pair. This is my favorite cut of panties. I just like a good hip hugger. You know what I mean? A good hip hugger, a good bikini, a good boy short. I'm a happy camper, especially because I live my life in jeans, and I feel like a hip hugger or a boy short are just perfect. Or I'm in a skirt or a dress, which also a hip hugger or a boy short is perfect. Okay, so this is the one that I saw that I got really excited about when I first undid it. This is literally the cutest panty I've ever seen. So I am a huge sucker for animal prints, really of any kind. My favorite loafers right now are a python printed loafer from Express. This is so cute. So these are feel like a really, really soft cotton. And then of course the lace is this adorable baby pink. And then this is the back of it. So this one's definitely more of a bikini cut. So cute. This one is $13. I love this freaking panty. I love how stretchy it is. I wish they had like a matching bra. Like, wouldn't that be so cute? Like a little matching bralette with this. I would die. This one, the feeling of it reminds me of the Victoria's Secret modal material. A lot of their panties come out with that material. If you're familiar with Victoria's Secret stuff, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's like that really, really soft cotton that they put, and I don't know if they still make panties in that, but I know like I have sleepwear that is from them that has that fabric. That's what this reminds me of. It just reminds me of really soft, lightweight cotton, and I am really excited for it. So, yay. If we can just, you know, make this in a bra, I'd be even happier. So, all in all, I really like what we got in this month's unbagging. I think they're so fun. And one thing that's cool is like all three of them are so different. Like, look at these. Like, these are so different, which is so fun. Like, you're not gonna get like 3 pastel pink panties, for example. Like, they really do try to mix it up, which I think is really cool, because then there's something that everyone's gonna like. I have yet to get a bag from them that I didn't like. This is literally, like I said, one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. Splendies are freaking amazing. They're made so well, they wash well. I have no complaints for them. They just keep getting better and better and better. So huge shout out to them. There is always a link in my description box that you can click. It'll save you money off your first month. It's very similar to how like ColourPop, like if you're signed up for ColourPop, they give you that like little code where like you get $5 and whoever uses your code gets like $5 off or something. This one, I think I get like an extra panty in my month or something like that. If you don't want to use my link, it's not like an affiliate link. It's just like the one that like the company just gives to everyone who's a subscriber. But you can also use Splendies in all caps at checkout, and that will also save you money off of your first month. Just Splendies, all caps. It's like a generic code. I believe it still works. I've had other people use it and it worked just fine. But if for some reason it doesn't, let me know so I can update that. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed another unbagging. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you got something different in your bag this month, let me know, because they do vary person to person as well, depending on your preferences. So I'm super curious. Anyways, guys, I will see you next video. Bye.